Hi friends, my name is Emily and I'm an educator here at the Glazer Children's Museum. Have you noticed the temperature getting a little cooler outside? Or maybe you've noticed the sun setting a little earlier than usual? Well, that's because we are approaching the winter solstice in the northern hemisphere. Now, what's the winter solstice? Well, the winter solstice is known as the shortest day of the year, and it takes place every year around December 21st or 22nd. As the Earth rotates around the sun and tilts on its axis, around this time, the northern hemisphere is located farthest from the sun, which creates cooler temperatures and shorter days. Well, in preparation for the winter solstice this year on December 21st, I want to teach you how to make your own cardboard lantern, just like this one, that you can go ahead and set outside to light up the longest night of the year. All you need is a cardboard roll. I am using some white paint and a Q-tip, but if you have different colored paint and a paintbrush, that would work too. You could also grab some glue and glitter if you have it. If you can see, I sprinkled some glitter on my example here. And the last thing that you need is a hole punch. So what I'm going to do is very simple. Just take your take your paint, your Q-tip, and your cardboard roll, and I'm going to stamp my cardboard roll with white paint. Now, if you don't have a cardboard roll, you could also grab some cardstock or construction paper and just roll it up and tape it instead. Now I've stamped it. And next is you're going to grab your hole punch and you're going to start punching some patterns around the top and the bottom of your lantern. And here's my lantern. Finally, the last step is I am going to take a battery operated tea light like this one here. It's safer to use in this project than an actual tea light. And I'm just going to switch it on. So now you can see it all lit up. I'll put it on my plate and I can set my lantern on top. Now I have lanterns that I can make several of them, set them outside, and use them to light up the longest night of the year. Thanks for watching, and thanks for joining us on GCM at Home. Bye.